Everyone is calling the Pixel 10 Pro the smartest phone ever made. But after using it for a full week, I found something that most reviews are not telling you. So before you spend your money, watch this. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the brand new Pixel 10 Pro, and I'm going to give you the real experience. No hype, no boring specs, just the truth. First thing, this phone feels premium. The build is solid, the matte finish looks clean, and the camera bar design. Honestly, it still stands out in 2026. The display is super bright, super smooth, scrolling feels effortless. But here's the thing, it doesn't feel very different from last year, so if you're expecting a crazy new design, you might be a little disappointed. Now let's talk about the big reason people buy Pixel phones, the camera. And yeah, this is where the Pixel 10 Pro really shines. Photos look insanely natural. Skin tones, almost perfect, and the dynamic range is just crazy good. Night photography is where it gets even better. You can literally take shots in almost complete darkness, and they still look usable. Now here's the interesting part. AI editing. You can remove objects, fix blur, even change parts of your photo, and it actually works. Like really works. Compared to iPhone is still better for video, but for photos, Pixel is still king. This is where things get a little crazy. The AI on this phone feels like something from the future. You can talk to your phone naturally, and it understands context, not just commands. Need to summarize something? Done. Edit photos? Done. Even real-time voice features feel smarter than before. But let me be honest, some of these AI features you probably won't use every day. They're cool, but not all of them are essential. Performance is smooth, no doubt. Apps open fast, multitasking is easy, and for normal users this phone feels super fast. But if you're a heavy gamer, you might notice some heating after long sessions. It's not terrible, but it's not the best gaming phone either. So yeah, good performance, but not the strongest in the market. Battery life is decent. You can get through a full day with normal use, no problem. But if you're using camera and AI features a lot, you'll probably need to charge before the day ends. Charging speed? Still not the fastest compared to other flagships. Alright, let's talk about the things I didn't like. First, price. It's getting expensive. Second, performance is good but not top tier. Third, some AI features feel more like a demo than something you'll use daily. And finally, charging speed is still behind competitors. So, should you buy the Pixel 10 Pro? Buy this phone if you love photography. You want the smartest AI features, you like clean Android. Skip this phone if you're a heavy gamer, you want super fast charging, or you're upgrading from last year's Pixel overall. This is one of the smartest phones you can buy right now, but not perfect. And honestly, that's what makes it interesting. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share this video with your friends, and also like and share my Facebook page for more updates. Subscribe for more tech videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.